To install the new version of Op Center, run the new executable Op Center setup file provided by Verint. For best results, right-click the .exe file and select Run as Administrator. In the Op Center setup wizard, for installation type, install the full-featured server version of Op Center. For database installation, select SQL Server already installed and in use. Continue the wizard, typically using the default settings. To verify the logon account, view the Op Center entry under Windows Services. Install Op Center and then open it. Op Center displays an error message about failing to connect to the expected database and opens to the database setup page. To connect to the new converted SQL database, type the server name in the format servername / SQL instance name. For authentication, select the method implemented for your site and provide the proper login credentials. For Windows authentication, you might use the Windows Domain Service account. For SQL Server authentication, you might enter the SQL Server Super Administrator account and password. For database, click Update Database List and then select the correct database from the drop-down menu. Click Set Database. Op Center displays the login page with the new version of Op Center shown in the bottom bar. Typically, you log in as the super administrator to complete the Op Center server setup. For example, you might need to install a new license file to activate new features, or update the server, general settings, or user permissions for this new version. After an Op Center installation, the new shortcut icon might be blank. To fix this, right-click the shortcut and select Properties, and then click Change Icon. Select the Op Center shortcut icon. Click OK to update the icon.